Alright, so first in the line we have Canary Islands. They're located just west of African northern region, and it's a good place to be. It's pretty nice. As you can see, there's four main islands, six main islands, and if you're trapped here and you want to escape, I have a 50-50 chance of getting to better part, Morocco, or perhaps more than 50 to land in Western Sahara, and I don't recommend that. Let's see some images, okay? I don't really know what to say here. Just this is more of a video about let's see how it looks like. Alright, so here we have beautiful scenery. I see this especially appealing to like moms because of these flowers here. And this one is actually more in line with what I like. It looks beautiful. This actually reminds me of a scene in Aquaman. The drive away part where when the water, the big wave catches the Aquaman and his father. Maybe it is. I'm gonna Google it later. Okay, and here we have another one. Yeah, I think this is a beautiful place. This is a beautiful place. Not exactly my type of beach, but it's definitely unique. Oh my god, look at this, look at this. This is beautiful to me. You see how the sand is, you have this sandy area, because there's nothing growing, and then you have all this water. Like, I'm gonna pause this and Google why things don't grow around here. This is bizarre. Alright, so probably it passed, I don't know, about 10 minutes from when I stopped the recording, and here's what I learned, okay? Very interesting stuff. So, listen to me. Basically, I googled, I didn't Google, I checked GPT, why plants don't grow around sandy areas, seaside. And these dude gave me some good answers. Look, first is poor water retention, okay? So, because sand, sand doesn't retain any water, it just, everything goes through and then dries up. So, yeah, this sucks for plants, unless they have like big reservoirs of containers of water that they can like contain like cactuses, okay. So this is one. Second one is limited nutrition content. Okay, because sandy soils are sandy and there's no fucking nothing. It has no good stuff for a plant to absorb. For example, when you have in woods, like animals die, leaves go, leaves from trees fall down and decay. That creates a compost for the next plants to be able to absorb. But when you have sand, there's none of that stuff, Okay, so number two, salt content. Okay, this one's very interesting to me. The salt, like just like people can't drink salty water, also plants can't, right? So, but there are some plants that have adapted and are tolerating salt a lot better. So I googled them. This is one of them. Glasswort. I'll never eat this in my life. You're not gonna get me to eat this, even if you pay me $500,000. And then we have, oh, this is a beautiful picture. And this one, salt bush, right? Just like a normal bush, but it has some mechanisms, I believe, that are allowing this plant to grow in spite of the high salty environment. Wind exposure, okay? So these areas that are open, wait, no, not here, not here. Yeah, I can find the damn image right now. But wait, it was here, right? It was these areas. So there's nothing stopping the wind. So this is not the image that I was looking for. Doesn't matter. Basically, yeah, I'm not gonna find it. Wind exposures, especially at the seas, you know, where the image that we were looking before, are high. There's a lot of wind, and that makes it hard for a plant to grow. Shifting sand dunes, you know, when the wind blows in the Saharan desert, for example, it's just it blows the sand away, and a plant needs a stable ground in order to grow a root, and it's hard for that reason. Harsh environmental conditions, I think this is similar to wind exposure. Yeah, salt-laden air, high temperatures, intense sunlight. Adapted coastal plants. Now this is interesting. This is really interesting. Look, the plants that have adapted have made salt glands and succulent tissues. Okay, so I googled this. Salt glands are located in the nerves on the tongue. This is also in animals and humans. The glands excrete excess salt and allow conservation of water. Okay, so this is one way that plants adapted, and this is another. Succulent tissues. I'm not exactly sure how this works, but I'm guessing that the water is retained in this whatever it is, you know, the pockets, right? Pockets, I guess. Yeah, so, and the last one is erosion and soil instability. Yeah, this is kind of similar to shifting sand dunes, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so that's it. That's it for the Canary Islands. I'll see you in the next video with something else, some other island, if you believe it or not. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more, and